This is an application that I had the town send us after we moved in case, because with Mike and I, my luck, he was laid off, he was fired for really without cause. So I asked the town to send me the application for partial tax exemption for real estate property with persons with disability and limited income. And we filled it out after we filed our 2019 taxes when we came back. Then they told us we needed 2 years, and then they made it just disabled persons exemption. They changed the rules midway and said it was only for disabled people, and told us we needed 2 years worth of taxes instead of 1. So I waited another year and filed it, and they told us no. Wait a minute, let me get that. There's so many things. They denied it, but then they put on the header, notice of denial of application for partial tax exemption of persons with disabilities and limited income. So they tried to make us think it was only for people with declared approved Social Security disabilities, not just low income. And they denied our thing. Jane Kedron is not on the deed, not eligible for the disability exemption, which is not what the case is, because right up here it says, and limited incomes. And considering they took my earnings into account when they file any other thing, why wouldn't I be part of the whole thing? If you disagree, I wasn't going to argue with them, because that's what they've done to us, is tried to make us argue and fight about every human right there is. Did I say that concisely enough?
It's perfect, because guess what, town of Cheektowaga? I am legally disabled.
60%?
60%. I've been since 1993. So just because I never used my disability as a get-out-of-jail-free card or a wild card, I'm still disabled. You're liars. You committed domestic terrorism.
In order to cover up your financial crimes along with other crimes.
We are senior disabled citizens. And not only are you guilty of all this other stuff, you're guilty of elder abuse as well, you cowards.
And using your government employees, sheriffs, police, to harm citizens when you say you represent all people is just nonsense. Have a great day, everybody. We still love the world, even though...
In humanity, we're all for humanity.
Just not the corruption.